Hello everyone, Bridget here. Welcome to my channel. I'm continuing with the earlier video wherein I told you about getting this new oven from American Micronic company. So we are going to make a bread pudding now, and I hope you enjoy it. As always, I ask you to like and share my video and do subscribe to my YouTube channel. So keep watching. So now I start showing you how to make a simple bread pudding my way in this new American Micronic toaster, oven and griller. So I've shown you the ingredients which are eggs, bread, custard powder. We've got cashew nuts, sugar and butter. So we'll start, and of course milk. So we'll start by beating the eggs. And to this I'm adding the sugar. So beat well till you see that the sugar is combined with the beaten egg. Now once it's combined, what we do is I'm adding in the milk. So I've got a little more than 1 cup of milk. I'm adding it to the beaten egg. So you stir well. And now we are going to add in So I'm adding a little milk into the custard powder and making it into a slurry. A slurry you can add without lumps, mix it till you get it smooth, and then now you can add it into this milk mixture. Okay. So once again we stir, mix it well. You can add 2 tablespoons of butter. Okay. Again, we mix well. You don't worry if the butter doesn't melt, it's okay. And now we add in a bread. I grease this dish with a little butter. So brush if you like, but I just using a teaspoon. So meanwhile, what we'll do, we'll preheat this oven, the American Micronic oven, which has got 1500 watts, and I'm preheating to about 120 degrees, and we'll wait for about 15 minutes. So I'm preheating with the bottom function, that's just the bake function, and I'm going to set it for 10 minutes. So let it preheat and then we'll bake our bread pudding. So now once again, we dot this with a little butter. Just randomly. And our oven is already, preheating is over. So there you go. Our bread pudding is ready to go into our oven. So as I mentioned earlier, this is an American Micronic oven which was sent to me as a gift by the American Micronic India company, and my special thanks to Mr. Nagpal, as I said, for sending it to me. Now we will put in our bread pudding and bake it. We're going to christen our oven now. So we'll bake it for 30 minutes till the bread pudding is cooked and the top browns. So keep watching and we're going to put it in. So use the middle rack. So your cakes or puddings won't get burned. Put it in the middle. Then there you go. We close it. We set the temperature to 180 degrees and the timer, as I said, we'd use only the bottom function, and the timer to 30 minutes. And we'll wait for our bread pudding to bake. So just keep watching. And here you can see our delicious bread pudding made in the American Micronic oven is ready. And you would notice that the plums and cashew nuts have risen to the top. So I hope you enjoyed this video.